My name is Manish Kumar Singhal. I'm a associate professor in AIML branch, and today's I'm here to represent a video lecture on my subject, natural language processing. That subject code AL504B, and today's my topic is from Unit 4, Requirement for Representation in Semantic and Pragmatics. Introduction. Linguistic meaning has two major dimensions: semantics, the conventional context independent meaning encoded in expressions. Number two is pragmatics, the inferred context dependent meaning derived in use. To model both, a theory of meaning must satisfy a set of requirements for representation. Requirement for semantic representation. Semantic representation must capture properties of meaning that are stable across context. Number one is compositionality. The meaning of a sentence must be representable as a predictable combination of the meanings of its parts, necessary for explaining productivity and systematicity of language implemented using lambda calculus, truth conditions, type theory, or similar formal tools. Number second is truth conditional adequacy. Representation must specify what the world would have to be like for the sentence to be true. For example, every student passed must represent universal quantification, not mere plurality. Number third is distinction between sense and references. A representation must separate sense, that is abstract meaning, in terms of reference, entity, oblique concept in the world. This distinction explains synonymy, sustainability, and informational content. Number four is handling of logical operators and quantifiers. A semantic representation must encode number and scope of quantifiers. One of the major quantifiers is every, and one is the sum. Truth function operators, likewise, and, not, or, scope ambiguities, and binding relations. Number fifth is representation of argument structure. Semantic roles such as agent, theme, experiencer must be structurally encoded to capture selectional restrictions, predicate argument relations, event structures. Number six is uniformity and cross linguistic applicability. Representations should generalize across languages, enabling in that turn comparison, typological modeling, translation. Requirement for pragmatic representation, that is the another part of requirements. Pragmatic representation must account for meanings derived from context, social norms, and communicative intentions. Context sensitivity must represent there are speaker or hearer identities, time, places, disclosure history, propositions, and common ground. Meaning depends on these contextual parameters. Intentionality and inference. A pragmatic model must capture how hearers infer message by assuming there are rational cooperation, Bayesian maxims, speaker intentions, conventional goals. Example, it's cold in here can be represented as a request to close the window. Speech Act force. Representations must encode whether an utterance is a request, assertion, promise, warning, etc. How force differs from propositional content. This explains why the same sentence from form can perform different acts. Number four is propositions and implicature. A pragmatic theory must distinguish propositions, background assumptions required for the sentence to make a sense, implicatures, inferred meanings arising from conversational principles. For example, John stopped smoking. presupposes John used to smoke. Reference and deaxis. Representation must handle context dependent expressions. Likewise, pronouns, that is, she or they, indefinities, demonstratives, likewise, this and that, temporal and spatial deaxis, now, here. Information structure must capture focus, topic, given versus new information. These affect interpretation, implicate, and prosody. Domain and key requirement. Last but not least, semantics, compositionality, truth conditions, reference, logical operators, arguments, structure, cross linguistic generally. In pragmatics, context sensitivity, inference, speech, act forces, propositionals, implicature, the access, information structure, and the combination of semantic and pragmatics that interface encoded versus inferred meaning under specification, dynamic update, ambiguity, resolution. Thank you so much. Thank you.